IEEE Explore Digital Library. दिस इज द डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी। ये एक ऐसी डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी है जिस पर सारे के सारे जो रिसर्च पेपर होते हैं, जेन्युइन रिसर्च पेपर अवेलेबल होते हैं, और आप ओपन कर सकते हैं सारे के सारे रिसर्च वर्क को विथ पेड और विदाउट पेड। पेड तो डायरेक्टली नहीं हो पाएंगे, उसके लिए मैंने आपको एक पाथ कल सबमिट करवाया, कल एक पाथ बताया था। यूजिंग दैट पाथ यू कैन एक्सेस दिस रिसर्च पेपर, but few research papers are available. Those are not paid research paper. As we can see this is the IEEE Explore Digital Library. We have also discussed regarding top searches. There are two options. First one is the advanced search and second one is top search. Using top search option, we can see that what is the name of topics. Those are topmost topics used by the researchers and learners. And for the searching your topic, we can search directly from here. Suppose that you want to search a topic regarding brain to brain communication. We were discussing regarding brain to brain communication in last lecture. Brain to brain communication. Brain to brain communication. That is searching for this. ब्रेन टू ब्रेन सर्च किया आपने। नाउ जैसा कि मैंने कल बताया था, इसमें आपको सारे रिसर्च पेपर्स अवेलेबल होंगे। देयर विल बी कॉन्फ्रेंस टाइप, जर्नल टाइप, मैगजीन टाइप, अर्ली एक्सेस आर्टिकल्स एंड बुक चैप्टर्स, and book will also be available to all of you here. There is 25 research paper available to all of you. There is 25 research papers available to all of you. Remaining research paper will be available for the next page like this. But if you want to increase more number of research paper on a single paper, then you can select more like this 50, 75, 100 like this. 100 research paper you can also access at a time for your observation. As you can see here, that is searching, yeah, like this. And this is the export option available for all of you. If you want to download citation of any research paper, then you can download citation or reference of that research paper. And for the collaboration, you can also access from here. All of the first, I want to explain you this, that if no research result is selected, the top 2000 result will be downloaded. Suppose that आपको क्या करना है, जर्नल्स के रिसर्च पेपर सेलेक्ट करने हैं. That's why you have to I want to suggest you that all of the first try to select the journal option. जर्नल को सेलेक्ट करो. जर्नल इस टॉपिक पर जर्नल्स के 1315 रिसर्च पेपर अवेलेबल है. अप्लाई दिस. That is searching. Please wait. Yeah. Now after this 1315 research papers will be available to access for all of you. Out of all these papers, you have to search. You have to sort all these 1315 papers by these relevance. ब्रेन टू ब्रेन कम्युनिकेशन से जो मोस्ट रेलिवेंट होंगे वो सबसे पहले आएगा, बाकी के मतलब जो कम रेलिवेंट है वो बाद में आएंगे. मतलब रेलिवेंट जो है, मोस्ट रेलिवेंट सबसे ऊपर और जो लीस्ट रेलिवेंट है वो सबसे नीचे आएगा. लाइक दिस 1315 की जो प्रायोरिटी होगी वो इस तरीके से होगी. दूसरा ऑप्शन है तो शॉर्टिंग का न्यूएस्ट फर्स्ट, जो सबसे ज्यादा न्यू है, जो रिसेंटली जिस पर काम हुआ है, न्यूएस्ट. जैसे 2021 के अंदर जो मोस्ट वर्क हुए हैं उनको ये सबसे पहले शॉर्ट करेगा. दैट इज सर्चिंग दिस, या लाइक दिस. देखो, यू कैन सी 2021 2021 here you can see 2021 all these are 2021 research papers. There are so many research papers available in 2021. Yeah, now the research papers are from 2020, 2020, then 2019, 18, like this. All the research paper will be short in this manner. Then you can sort all these papers. Like if you want to sort by oldest first, then you can select this option oldest first and then can search like this. On this topic, almost, yeah, you can see that on the brain-to-brain communication, the work started in 1950. सन 1950 में brain-to-brain communication पर research work start हुआ था. And then progress is like this, as you can see here. All these are blocked. All these are base papers for your research work. If you want to download these research papers, then you can't download these research from this site. But there is a path that is provided by Taiwan country. Just to download this research paper from the link, you have to write down SCI hub.c and put here name. Suppose that this is the name of electric current in nerves, issues and electric organs. Put here. You will be able to access this research paper from this site. This is free of cost for all of you. And then another sorting methods are also available. Most cited by paper. Most cited by paper का मतलब है कि वे रिसर्च पेपर जिनको रिसर्चर्स ने या रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स ने ज्यादा से ज्यादा रीड आउट किया है, जिनके काम पर ज्यादा से ज्यादा वर्कआउट हुआ है या जिनके काम में ज्यादा से ज्यादा एनहांसमेंट हुआ है. These are most cited research papers. That is also important. In the list of these research papers, there are so many research papers also may be fake work, but the work that is cited by maximum researchers, that is not a fake work. We can understand this point. This is the research paper. Title is Cognitive Radio Brain Empowered Wireless Communication. Journal name is IEEE Journal on Selected Area in Communication, published in 2005, volume number 23, issue number 2, journal article and publisher IEEE cited by 8,501. 8,501 रिसर्चर्स ने इस रिसर्च पेपर को साइट किया है अपने रिसर्च पेपर में, और इस रिसर्च वर्क से कुछ ना कुछ कंटेंट उन्होंने लिया है. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस रिसर्च पेपर. See this. If you want to gather the detail regarding this work, then you can gather from here. That is abstract and maximum content is not available. Just to download the content, you have to purchase. Also available in $33. You can also see this, that this is the counting for the citation. That is 8,501 रिसर्चर्स ने इस रिसर्च पेपर के कंटेंट को अपने पेपर में इंक्लूड किया है. बट आउट ऑफ 8,501, 91 ने इस रिसर्च पेपर के रिगार्डिंग कुछ ना कुछ एनहेंसमेंट करके पेटेंट करवाए. That is also another important point. This is representing here 36,386 फुल टेक्स्ट ट्यूब, यानी कि अब तक इस पेपर को 36,386 रिसर्चर्स ने रीड आउट किया है. दैट इज आल्सो ह्यूज काउंटिंग. and you can download easily without paying 33 download from here. That is sci.hub. Now another is yeah. Next sorting methods are मोस्ट साइटेड बाय पेटेंट. मोस्ट साइटेड बाय पेटेंट का मीनिंग है कि वो रिसर्च पेपर सबसे पहले प्रायोरिटी में शॉर्ट किए जाएं जिन पर पेटेंट करवाया गया है. लाइक दिस. मतलब रिसर्च पेपर को साइट करवाना अलग चीज होती है और पेटेंट करवाना अलग होता है. साइट करवाने का मतलब है कि रिसर्च पेपर का जो कंटेंट है उसको रिसर्चर्स ने अपने रिसर्च वर्क के अंदर इंक्लूड किया है, अपने लिटरेचर रिव्यू के अंदर शो किया है. बट पेटेंट का मीनिंग है कि इस रिसर्च वर्क के ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ रिसर्च करके और उस पर पेटेंट करवा लिया जिससे कि कोई दूसरा उस वर्क को यूज में ना ले सके विदाउट योर परमिशन, विदाउट पेइंग टू मनी टू यू. These are the research papers available in priority for all of you, and priority is available by the patent. Next is most popular, सबसे ज्यादा popular जो रहे. Regarding brain to brain communication topic, most popular research papers are that is searching. Please wait. Yeah, these are most popular. You can see this there. This is the research paper available free of cost for all of you. You have not to pay anything. Like this, you can download from here. Each and every content is available, open to all. Now next is you can also sort these papers by the name of title A to Z. Alphabetically भी आप इनको sort कर सकते हैं A to Z and Z to A. Now next point, if you want to access all open access, यदि आप चाहते हैं कि सारे रिजल्ट ना आकर के सिर्फ और सिर्फ वही अवेलेबल हो जिनके लिए आपको पे ना करना पड़े, that's why you have to click here open access only. In that case only open access journal articles will be available to all of you. Like this, all these are green, all these are unlocked to all of you. You can download from here. I want to suggest that you have to download all of the first review papers, not simulation based paper. You can also minimize this strength. You know that there is the strength of journal papers are in thousands. These thousands research papers you can sort by this way, from here to there, from 2013 to 2021 like this, and then apply to click here. You can also search all these research paper by the name of authors. Suppose that आप किसी एक रिसर्चर के रिसर्च पेपर डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं, there are 11 research paper maximum available, only in ही का वर्क आपको available होगा. Like this you can also search by affiliation. Affiliation research papers को जहाँ से मिलता है वहां से भी आप इनको that is South Korea. Like this affiliation point of view से भी आप इनको शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. That is not important कि आप पेटेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से या पब्लिकेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से या पॉपुलरिटी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आप इनको शॉर्टिंग करें. एफिलिएशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से या रिसर्च ऑथर के नाम से भी आप इनको शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. पब्लिकेशन के टाइटल के बिहाव पर भी कि पब्लिकेशन का टाइटल IEEE एक्सेस है, ट्रांजैक्शन है, लाइक दिस जो भी था. पब्लिशर के बिहाव पर भी you can also short. There are 280 papers are available from the IEEE publishers. Supplementary items are these. Not all these are not more important. These are media and these are publication topics. Neuropsychology, medical science processing, etc. etc. ठीक है, that is the that is overall details regarding searching research paper for the literature review in your work. Now see this that. So this is the first one, that how you will search your research work from this side. Now I want to explain that how you will check your plagiarism. There are so many open links available to all of you to check your plagiarism for your content. Like this, you have to select anything. Suppose that this is a research paper and the content is available. And the title of this paper is Centralized and Localized Data Congestion Control Strategy for Vehicular Ad hoc Network using a machine learning clustering algorithms. For this content, you have to select this one. And if you want to check your plagiarism, then you have to place it here. Just copy. No, block. Then check plagiarism. You can also check grammar using this open access tool. Content is loading. You can read all these. Yeah, result is available now. This green symbol is representing unique work. It means that this is the work that is totally written by you, and the red is representing by copyright work, that you have copied this work from some journals or some author works. Like this you can check. Now after checking this plagiarism, I want to explain. Oh, close. Grammarly is not, also not required. Now I want to explain you that what are the topics you have to include in your work. These are abstract. Allow the first you have to write down abstract. इसका प्रोसेस क्या होगा? प्रोसेस ये होगा, सबसे पहले आपको एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लिखना होगा. प्लीज वेट फॉर 1 minute. Yeah, now whiteboard is available to all of you. Text. Yeah, these are topics. After the searching, all of the first you have to search using IEEE Access Digital Library your research details, research work, etc. Whatever you want to search from there. Then after searching these, if you are not able to download the research paper, then you have to download your research paper from the site of Taiwan, and then you have to conclude your overall literature review. And after concluding your literature review, you have to write down your research work with these titles. All of the first, you have to finalize your research paper title, then abstract. The meaning of abstract is what is the aim of your work, uh, what is your objective in your work. Then you have to put as a first title, you have to write down your title in times in Roman numbers. That is introduction. Introduction. All the details regarding your work should be introductive. All the introductive details regarding your work should be included in this title. Then all the background work, in background work you will include the work that is related to uh, concepts, background technologies. This type of technologies you have to include in this title, and the related work or all the literature review work you have to include in this related work. Then the methodologies, you have to include the methodology that is using by you in your work. Then evaluation, research evaluation. आपका काम जब complete हो जाए तो उसको हम evaluate करते हैं. For the evaluation of that, you have to include all the details in this title, and then you have to put